Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You are seeing this chart correctly. This is Rivian on the 4-hour chart. It is officially my best ever investment trade. So I'm going to explain kind of what that means, how much we made, our plan with Rivian. Can we do this again? I think so, and I'm going to explain exactly why. So make sure you guys watch till the very end because we've got so many good things to cover regarding Rivian. So, first of all, why did we choose to buy Rivian in the first place? Why did we choose these profit targets? All that good stuff. Well, if we look at the 1-year chart, oh, and by the way, it only changed from, let's see, it only changed from this chart where you can see it hit the total take profit to this one because I took it out of extended trading hours because you cannot do extended trading hours in the 1 year or 5 year time frame. You guys should understand that because it's just too much going on, right? So it did hit all the way up to 1850 as we can see right here. So why did we start buying Rivian? Well, it was very easy. We saw that when it got to this zone, it shot out very quickly, it had these nice spikes, so it made sense to be buying our Rivian shares here, right? And that's what I do with all my stock investments. I wait to find a very nice zone. Even here, we can see just about in this general area, starting near $12, it had this massive move up. So we wanted to be in rather than, not being in and missing out once he was approaching this zone or inside of the zone. So we maxed out our total position here. At this point, it was about 200 shares of Rivian, and I believe we kept, if I remember correctly, about 116 till the very end. So we made $800 in 10 minutes on that massive spike, which was great. I had Rivian in a bunch of different accounts. A lot of my family members and friends got in it as well because I told them all about this trade, not to mention everyone in the Discord server, which I'll link below in the description and the comments, just to make it easy for you guys to find it, because we take all of our trades live there. Now, why did I tell you that we could possibly do this again, right? It's already up. It's up from $11 or even lower, 10 something, to $13. So that's already 30%, even though it's down from that 65% move. Well, I think that it will definitely keep going up from here because the whole reason that it made this massive move, this crazy killer move in just 10 minutes, was because Volkswagen gave them a massive $5 billion deal, which prevents them from going bankrupt, right? The only thing we were concerned about with Rivian, the reason why we weren't putting like our entire life savings into this stock, is because people are concerned that they won't make it till 2026 because they'll be burning through so much cash to get these cars out there on the road. But with this massive deal, they no longer have to worry about burning all that cash, right? They are set till 2026, which is when their next massive batch of cars will be released. They also have partnered with DHL and Amazon, so we'll each be sending, I think, 80,000 vans over there. So that's already basically solidified Rivian in the EV space. So that is absolutely amazing. I'm not sure if it'll be the next Tesla because I don't know if they're actually gonna make such competitively priced vehicles. They're still very expensive, but it's definitely gonna be one of the main EV companies regardless, right? Because they are now absolutely solidified in the space because of this partnership. So yeah, Volkswagen is partnering with them, which means if this drops back into our $11 zone, so where we're buying anywhere from 976 to 1065 about, and I say 11 because we start buying above. If it drops there, I'm going to be buying another 200 shares again. Why am I specifying that it's in like terms of hundreds? Well, for every 100 shares, you can sell one call a week, which also gives us anywhere from like 20 to 50 bucks a week passively. I do have a video on that, so you guys can see that in my channel as well, if you're curious on how that works. But yeah, that's our plan for Rivian. I absolutely think that it's going to, if not double, maybe triple or quadruple within a year or two from now. The price target is still $18.50 on Rivian. So even though it already hit that on the 4-hour time frame, like we saw here, it still now, since it came down a lot, still has plenty of room back up there for that 1 year price target. So I think this is going to be one of our best trades ever, maybe again, even though I've already made over $1,000 from this. I did say 810 minutes, but that was just from the last shares we were holding. I think we could do it again, maybe even a couple more times, depending on how many more times Rivian dips back into this zone, allowing us to buy a whole lot of shares. So with that being said, I will link that Discord server that we take all our trades live on in the description and the comments. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, I would appreciate that because we are trying to get monetized. So if you could like the video as well, that would be great. Thank you guys for watching and have a great rest of your day.